So you surely have to get green tea. Green tea is very important when it comes to losing weight, especially belly fat, bloated belly. Okay, so green tea has antioxidants, helps to burn fats and boost metabolism. So the caffeine in green tea acts as a stimulant, aid weight loss too. So this is very important in case you are trying to manage your weight, to get rid of toxins, to remove bloating, bloated belly. Okay, so you can use any brand of green tea you can find. They're all the same. Just make sure it's green tea. So we're going to use 2 tea bags like this, and I'm going to place it into a clean bowl just like this. Add a very hot water into it, about 2 glasses of water. Alright, so now I'm going to leave it for some time to make sure the green tea infuses out into the hot water properly. So the next ingredient we have here is cabbage. It's a very powerful vegetable when it comes to, in case you are trying to lose your weight very fast. This will help to remove toxins, flush away bad fats. With cabbage, you will lose weight in a very healthy way. It's low in fat and high in fiber. Your skin will glow and no blemish. So this is just very good for your entire body. Little amount of it is all you need. You just have to bring some amount. Okay, just like this. Just make sure you wash it properly. I've done so. So the next thing you are going to do is to cut it into smaller size because we are going to blend everything. After doing so, I will just quickly transfer it into my blender. You can make use of your food processor. Okay, so you still have to leave it for some time because the water is supposed to turn brown. Okay, light brown or deep brown, and also to allow the water to cool a little bit before making use of it. So the next ingredient we have here is apple cider vinegar. Many are turning to apple cider vinegar because it helps a lot to shed pounds very fast. So this is because of the ability to prevent fat deposits and also improves their metabolism. So this is very important, like it's going to boost your metabolism and help you to lose those weight, those belly fat very fast. So we're going to add this into the blender. So we're making the quantity of 2 glasses, tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So it's time to check if my green tea has cooled down and ready to transfer into the blender. The reason for allowing it to cool down a little bit is because of the apple cider vinegar. Hot water disrupts the bacteria in apple cider vinegar, so you have to allow it to cool down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to get it out, the 2. I will quickly transfer it into my blender. Looking so very healthy. So I'll cover it like this and go straight to blend it. I'll be right back. I'm back after blending it. So you notice different layers, the upper layer and the down layer. So the up from here is the fiber content, while down there is the liquid content. Both very, very effective. So what you have to do, either you strain it out or not. But I love taking it with everything to get the full benefits of cabbage. Guys, you need to try this to lose your belly fat, to get rid of toxins. those bad fats that accumulates around our belly region. This will help to get rid of it, debloat you, and make you to have a flat tummy. In case you have side fats, bra fats, fat face, and the rest, this is going to help so much. So what you have to do is to take 1 glass cup twice daily, like morning and night. It's best to take it early morning before breakfast. Like after 30 minutes, you can go ahead and take your breakfast. Store this in the refrigerator maximum of 3 to 5 days and you are all good. This is a very good one. Try it and you see it for yourself. Yummy. Taste of this is not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay, you have to make sure you make use of undiluted apple cider vinegar to gain the full benefits. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. I will see you in my next video.